Hello everybody, this is a little lick derived from the introduction to Lightnin Hopkins' My Babe. It's actually where he's talking at the beginning, so he's not really even playing the tune. If you want more blues licks, and like, subscribe, in the comments leave me any links to any old blues recordings you'd love to learn a lick from, or a riff from, and I'll see what I can do.
Okay, so we're going to build this one up slowly. Right, first off the bat, you've got to probably pick up your acoustic for this one and detune it, because we need to get you down a semitone. So E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, and E flat. So all down one semitone. That gets you into the key of the tune. Obviously, when you're playing in a real world situation, you may just choose to keep it in normal standard tuning, but if you want to play along with the video, we're going to have to get it down there, and I suspect to learn it, that's where you want to be anyway, so that you can keep it in tune. Then you can always tune it up when you're playing with other musicians, back up into E if that's preferred. So well, we'll start with this is just iconic. I'm going to call it iconic one. It's just when he's talking at the beginning, actually he plays a nice little riff, and this is a pretty good approximation of it. Let me just get it up on the screen. It's about 39 seconds in, 40 seconds in, he plays a nice little riff.
One of the things I suppose to do.
Yeah, I've just done a little small version of that. So if you look at the riff on the screen, the tab, you've got this tab in your lesson as well. Right, now, interestingly, so it looks like it's the E minor pentatonic. A little kind of like... But actually, there's a little bit more to talk about there, because that little bend on the 8 is doing something specific, because the key is actually E, not E minor. And the big difference between that flat third and the major third, that's what gives us that, very often used in blues. Well, we know we bend up that third sometimes. There's the major third. That's what we're doing here. There's the E major chord, 7th fret A shape, so to speak, and there's the E minor. And by playing that, that's the minor third, we bend up. So we bend into the major chord. Anyway, that's it. So anyway, it's back to the lick. Something along those lines. He does continue it elsewhere. He does continue it a little bit, but actually that's the kind of little bit I want to pull out.
Thanks for making it through the video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and let me know any blues licks or any blues songs you'd really like to learn. Any key, just give me a shout.